Hey guys, what's happening? Hope you're all having an awesome day. I'm pretty excited because something came in the mail today. Just about 20 minutes ago, a package arrived that I've been expecting for a little while. I had ordered a book titled From Above, The Story of Aerial Photography by Lawrence King Publishing on the 26th, I believe, on the 26th of October. And it has one of my aerials, the one titled Redson Garden, published in it. And can't wait to see what it looks like in this hardcover. So let's open it and take a look together. Oh, this is so cool. So here we are. Wow, this is so amazing. Beautiful hardcover book. Cost almost $70 Aussie. Will I be able to open it? That's the question. I think I'll be fine. Let's just unwrap this beauty. Oh, I'm so excited. This is gorgeous. Let's just chuck these away. So, From Above, The Story of Aerial Photography by Eamon McCabe and Gemma Pedley, the two authors. Wow. So does this come off? Wow, this is an amazing, beautiful aerial abstract. So, From Above, The Story of Aerial Photography, published in 2019, Lawrence King Publishing Limited in London. This is actually my third book that has one of my images in it. As I said before, one was a landscape photography book, another one was by Australian Geographic. That was part of the Nature Photography of the Year competition. And this particular book has the Redson Garden in it. I'm not sure where. So this is gonna be interesting to see. Alright, I'm not gonna read anything. I'm just gonna flip through. These are gorgeous. Oh my god. Can't wait to read and delve myself into this. I've got goosebumps. I really do. Because this is amazing. I mean, I can't believe that one of my images made it into this. So I'm just flipping through, still black and white monochrome frames. Wow, that looks absolutely ridiculously cool. I just love diagonal lines. I'm really drawn to these frames that have simple geometry and, as I said, diagonal lines, and this is simplicity, the extremely minimalistic compositions are what are really close to my heart. For example, this one, the shadows of these trees from a high angle, it looks cool as well. I mean, look at that. Let's get to my image. I'm not interested in anybody else. Oh wow, look at these structures, crazy good. Then Arthur's Bertrand is beautiful too. Wow, that's awesome. Oh my god, these shots are just crazy beautiful. This one is spectacular. I can't believe it. That is exquisite. Whew. I think we are getting close to my shot. I hope they publish my image. That's the reason why I bought the book. So, come on. Oh my god, I thought for a moment that this was gonna be mine because of the colors, but nope. Wow, this must have been taken at an altitude of 2 kilometers at least. Tom Hegan. Don't tell me that my... Oh yes! Finally! Right at the end. Peter Virag, Redson Garden at the Royal Botanic Gardens, Victoria, Cranbourne site, Australia, 2018. Wow. I just want to read this section. There's no doubt that the enormous technological strides in drone photography in recent years have allowed humans to view and record the Earth in new ways and with ever-improving accuracy and detail. Drone cameras have opened up aerial photography by making it available to anyone, and consequently access to such views is no longer the sole preserve of professional photographers. Numerous self-taught photographers have seized the opportunity to take incredible images from the air, some of which are reminiscent of those by the giants of aerial photography. Peter Virag is one such photographer who has mastered the art of combining vivid colors and abstract forms in dazzling ways. Virag, who is originally from I'm choking up, from Hungary, but has been living in Melbourne since 2007, took this shot of the Redson Garden at the Royal Botanic Gardens in Cranbourne using a DJI Phantom 4 Pro drone at an altitude of 120 meters. Areas of grey foliage are dotted across the expanse of red sand, creating an aerial image that could be mistaken for a micrograph. Oh my god, that is so cool. I feel so privileged and lucky that they picked this shot for this episode, this spectacular book. So sorry guys for getting a bit carried away, but I get really emotional just reading that part or the description of the image. You know, I started photography only 3 years ago, and it's been a very exciting journey. I just can't wait to push myself, and things like this just make you feel awesome. I feel so privileged and blessed that I got published in this book. Thanks guys again for your support, and I promise you I won't get this emotional ever again on this channel. See ya. Peace.